back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my green seasoning. I get a lot of questions about what is green seasoning or what's that green stuff that you're using. And it's basically a blend of herbs and aromatics. That's what it is. There's no right way to make green seasoning. Every country or everyone makes theirs different, and it's completely fine. You know, it does depends on what you like and what you prefer. So whatever herbs you like, your favorite herbs and aromatics, you can add that to a blender. You blend it, and that's what green seasoning is. Super simple and easy, and it's basically used for seasoning meats, poultry, seafood. You can use it in stews, soups, whatever, basically anything. So today I'll be using some oil. You can use whatever oil you like. I have garlic, some salt. I'll be using some lemon juice. I have onions, peppers, scallions or green onions, basil, thyme. I'll be using some culantro, cilantro, parsley, and I have some ginger. So the first thing you want to do is wash your herbs and your aromatics. You want to chop them into sizes that you know can fit inside of your blender or your food processor. And then we will of course be doing this in batches. So you want to add a little of everything, you know, in one batch. And we will continue that process. You know, I like to add a little salt, some lemon juice, and some oil to help with the blending process, because the salt and the lemon juice are natural preservatives, and it helps to, you know, preserve your green seasoning without it turning stale fast and stuff. So that's the reason why I like to add a little salt and lemon juice. And the oil is simply just to, you know, help with the blending process, because you don't want to blend these things dry. So we will carry on with this process, adding a little of everything until we are all done. And once you're all done, guys, this is how it should be looking. Now you can blend this to your own liking. If you want it a bit more smooth, you can surely do that. If you want it more chunky, you can do that. But this is just perfect for me. This is the way I like it. The texture and the consistency, everything is perfect. So for those of you who are new to this, let me just show you the most popular way we'd usually use green seasoning. We would add it to our meats, poultry, or our seafood. And then we'll add the powdered seasonings, mix to combine, and let it sit and marinate. That's the most popular way, but we also add it into our soups, our stews, curries, different things. And it's absolutely amazing. And here you have it, guys, my version of green seasoning. I hope this was very helpful and useful. And if you've never tried it before, I hope you give it a try. And if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day and enjoy.